Wait, shush! This is on my side.
Oh my god, it's coming out the other end.
Dad, you lost! It cracked the slime!
Say what?
Hey guys! Welcome back to our channel. I'm Mary. And I'm Izzy. And today we're going to be playing Last to Stop Adding Fidgets into Slime Challenge! Well, it is a challenge.
Okay.
So, whoever stops adding fidgets into slime first
loses.
Yeah. So we have a bunch of different fidgets here. We have our clear slime that we made and this 3-pound bucket of Nickelodeon neon pink slime.
Guys, listen to this.
We thought it'd be fun to use more than one.
It's basically
color.
like a Pop-It.
Look, guys. That's actually really cool. These are little mochi.
Look how cute this pig is, and it's so round. Oh my god.
And guys, this is how my hair turned out. It's not white. So, and my dad messed up right here, and there's nothing here. There is nothing except for right here. So we're gonna have to fix that. And I don't know. I might dye it back brown or go to salon, but I don't know because I don't want salon.
Oh.
Because I don't want it messed up more.
Okay, guys, I'm going to add. Okay, challenge starts now.
And the winner gets a $100 shopping spree for fidgets.
Okay.
Alright, let's add in the little lid. Oh wait, I should probably separate it.
Here's my clear slime.
Hi guys.
It's so clear.
Cut it.
Alright.
Oh, it's over them.
It's such a thin layer. Look over here. Okay.
Well, I'm gonna cut this one. Let's get the little legs off.
Oh!
Oh my god, they stayed together. Look how the little duck looks. The little tail.
And the face. And the body.
Ah.
Okay, guys, I'm really excited.
And I can never cut this pig. It's so cute. I'm not gonna cut it.
I'm really excited for this one.
Ooh, look at this.
Great.
So here it is, guys. I'm just gonna take this out because look at this.
Oh, the little body parts.
Look at this. I'm gonna save it right here.
Okay, guys. Here's my first one. It's so cute. Okay. Now, I wanted to try putting this in the slime. Look at that. Oh my god. It probably made an imprint. It did. Oh, and it kind of stuck. Okay. I wanted to try stretching it when it's in slime. And it just stretched out of the slime. Okay, I'm gonna try it, but I think I have to pull the slime with it.
This is another little ice cream cone one.
Okay.
I got one a purple.
That kind of sounded a little cool. It was a little different.
A mystery charm. Got a mystery charm, guys. Look at that, a little rabbit. All right, let's save this right here. And I could not take this out of the package without destroying the little snow cone shape because it's like so sticky.
My second one. Okay.
Now, okay, I got it out and look at this. It spreads like butter. The slime is slime, it'll change the color. So let's do this. Just gotta mix. Oh, let's make a swirl. It'll be so cool. It'll be like some parts clear, some parts not. Okay, let's swirl this.
Oh my god, guys. Should we add the sprinkles? Look how pretty that is.
That looks like a poop emoji.
I don't know if I can make a bubble.
good enough. Here's this one. Oh my god.
Your slime, Izzy.
Oh, it didn't even fall yet.
Okay, guys. So, here's these two. I'm going to add them in the same one. But before I cut this one, I'm not going to cut this one. I want to show you guys this. You push it until it's hot. And look. It's a Pop-It in slime. Okay. I have to like fold it again so you can't see it. So you just take your slime and you take it. So it goes like this. And you push down. Okay. Super cool. I don't know if you'll call it a Pop-It keychain or a simple dimple that feels like a Pop-It, but here it is.
I have a teal one. Look at this.
Okay, I'm gonna test this one out too. Oh, it didn't work.
Well, look at mine. It's gonna fart. Listen, it's gonna fart.
Oh, that's what I did wrong.
Ready?
Okay.
And then you just pull it, and look at that. Look at that. Ready?
Oh, I could pop it now. Okay, I'm gonna add it in.
I'm gonna cut it. Just make two. Boom. I just made two.
Okay, I'm gonna cut mine. I can't believe I just did that. Okay, so.
All right, guys, let's try to mix it. Let's pop it. Let's try to pop it.
Okay.
Oh, there we go. It worked.
Stretch this over. Ooh, that was cool.
Boom.
Here's my Pop-It and Simple Dimple slime. Okay, so now.
Okay, I'm gonna do this. It's a half a tube.
Were you not here?
What? Oh.
Whoa, look at my slimes.
Actually, I'm gonna try something different, guys. I'm gonna try to put slime in here and see how it sounds.
Here's the snapper. Hey guys, I got a snapper and I'm gonna put it in here and try to snap it when it's in the slime. Wait, shh. It kind of works. I don't know if I could cut it. Snappers are really thick and heavy.
Oh my god, it's coming out the other end.
I wonder what's inside. Okay, wait, do that first.
Hurry.
Trying, there's too much slime.
You can't just.
There we go. Ready? Set. Oh my god, it's like really stuck in there.
You just got all your slime stuck in there. Okay, I'm gonna try to cut it, guys.
I can put it back though.
That was easy. It's just, you ever wonder what's in the snapper? Look.
Look, this one's stuck together. Here, I can do it with this little piece.
Look, now it's like a sideways snapper.
That's cool. Let me do that.
Oh wait, I bet I can stick it to the table now.
Do you think it could work for slime?
Look. Whoa.
I'm gonna mix these into here because they're like perfect. Boom. Put a little slime over them.
Okay. Here's
Oh,
my snapper slime.
Look at this, guys. It goes fully back to how it was. Look, and then I can just still go like that. I don't. Was it working?
You made a bubble. Anyone hear the ice cream truck?
Maybe it'll work this way.
Oh my god, look at your lips. Okay. Guys, I thought it would be
I'm gonna just put this right here as one of my slimes.
fun.
Look at this. I made this. Okay, let's just cut this in half. Because that's good.
There you go.
So it's just hard slime I found on the bottom of the container. And I just put it in a little package.
Because why not?
So let's just get a little bit of slime. And let's just mix it in. It's really hard. Slime into slime. It's just ripping. And it's a little bit dirty. That slime was so overactivated, but yeah.
This slime is really overactivated, but I thought it'd be cool to make impressions with pink slime. Maybe you might be able to see it a little better. Okay. Here's this yellow one.
Bruh.
Oh, I did it wrong. Just flip it over. Okay. Like this.
Remember the hack I showed you with the marble thing? You just take it out and then you go like this.
Maybe it might work.
And it's back to normal. Look at that. And the marble's right here. And then you
Oh,
just
it kind of works. This slime just like
Look,
expands
guys,
back up.
you see that hole? And then you just put the marble back in and you just
Okay,
work.
it's too overactivated. So let's do it with this. I'm gonna just use this whole thing just for now. Maybe it only works in clear
The
slime.
marble's back on.
Okay.
All right, look at this. I have 2 dough balls. All right, I have 2 dough balls. I'm gonna cut this one in half. Oh, did you hear that? Look at it. This is the middle, but look, shh. Mary. Sorry. Stop. I want mine. That's so. You made me stop.
Okay.
Wait, shh, shh. But look, when you peel it off, look, shh. You guys remember what's inside? It's like a Daiso stuff, but it's a little bit more hard than Daiso.
I'm mixing it into my clear slime. Here it is, guys.
Look, what happens if I cut it like this? Ready? Let's expand it. So it's like,
It looks like a milk slime.
look at this.
Because it's white and clear, so it's glossy. It got really hard. It turned it into what was in here, but
All right, let's do this.
hey, I put it back in.
Oh my god. I'm gonna work
Hey,
this.
hey, it sticks. It doesn't come off as easily. Okay, here is, I don't know, a fidget slime. What are those little things? A dough ball
Dough
slime.
balls.
Okay, now I wanted to try. I gotta get it to the poppy side though.
Guys, it turned it completely white, as expected. And it's just really hard. It is stretchy though. Maybe I can make like a milk swirl. Let's see.
Look.
All right, ready? Ready? Look at that. It's like butter slime. I'm gonna put it right here. It's falling out. I'm gonna put some clear slime over it.
Guys, look, I'm gonna pop it. It's on the poppy
Two
side with
bottles.
clear slime over
Okay,
it.
3.
You can kind of hear it.
All right, there's
Wait,
one.
I'm gonna pop it back.
There's 2.
Wait, guys. Let's see.
Oh. Oh, the bits. This one has a hole. All right. Completely covered in slime. All right, let's do the big one.
Here is my
This is
pineapple
ready?
fidget
Second.
slime.
Did you see that? It cracked the slime.
Say what?
It like cracked it. Wow. All right, see the pink? Look, it like cracks it.
Right, the blue.
Look, isn't that cool how it like cracks it?
Look how cool the slime looks on the
Global
poppet.
slime added.
Okay, a DNA
Guys,
ball.
I can't get over how cute this is.
Let's cut the DNA ball and put it into
I'm
the
gonna cut
slime.
this noodle.
I'm gonna cut
Ready?
the little orby thing with the DNA ball after I use it. So.
Cut.
Whoa!
You got DNA all over the table. Alright, look at this. Ah! Ah!
Okay,
Look at this.
let's try to mix this.
Noodle slime added.
I like it just like this.
Alright, I'm gonna use all of this.
Here, guys. It kind of looks just like the DNA ball.
Guys, look. Let's pop it. Realize we're down to the last slime.
Wait, so who won?
Well,
Well, I haven't added this in yet, so if you add that in.
well, I have this.
Well, I have this.
And I have this.
And
You
this.
already used your pink one though.
The pink is for adding stuff too.
But this is on my side.
I think we were supposed to set a timer.
Well, I have
1 more minute.
to add in. All right.
Okay.
Whoever adds in their things faster. I'm gonna add my all to this slime. Ready, set, go. Should I cut it?
Okay, guys. I like to add this in, and then at the end is when it's all synced in. It's gonna look so cool.
And boom! I added all my fidgets and I won.
You lose. It's last to stop adding fidgets.
No, we
Win.
didn't.
We're done. You lost.
I'm not done. Cut it.
You said you didn't want to cut it. You lost. You said you're done.
No, that's not fair because I said whoever adds it in faster.
You can't change the challenge.
I said whoever adds it in faster. Ready, set, go. And you're like, okay.
No, I tricked you. You can't change the challenge. Okay, well, let me fold these in next.
Look at this. I cut that heart puppet. Look
Okay.
at this.
Let's try to.
I have a little bit of piece of.
I want to fill this with slime. Who put sprinkles in here? Oh, I think it comes like that. Okay. This looks so good. It smells too
Smells
sweet.
like-
Guys, it's cake batter, vanilla scented.
It smells
Okay, I don't
like-
need that much.
All right,
though,
ready?
'cause
Let's
this-
pop this. Ready, guys? Ready? Was not as satisfying.
Oh my god, guys. I won the $100 fidget shopping challenge. And remember when we went shopping for fidget and I got $100? I didn't even spend it all. I spent
Look how cute this is.
$60. How shiny this is.
Look at this, guys.
Oh my god, guys, look, it settled and got so clear. I'm gonna do this one first though. Cause yeah.
Oh, look how cute this pig is. And it's so circly.
Okay.
I like that it's so
Pineapple
circly.
time. Pineapple. Okay, and Among Us. Here's the white one. DNA ball one. Orbeez, not as much because they fell out. This. This. Oh, it's so cool. These little things, little duck snapper, and this.
Let's pop it in there. Alright, so here I have my hard slime that I mixed in. I have my hard slime, my, I don't know what to call this. My snapper plus the little simple dimples pop it. And then here's the dough ball. Here's the noodle. Here's the ice cream cone. Look at that. Here's the seal and here's the poppet. So let's mix it all together. Oh, here's my tube. Maybe I can make a bubble like that.
Guys, I'm mixing mine all together.
There's
barely any clear left.
Look at this. Ugh. It's really hard to stretch, but I love, this is my favorite.
These are my favorite, guys. Wait, shush! I want to see if it'll work. Okay.
The first one. That's satisfying. The pineapple was the most satisfying. Well, this was so fun, guys. Let us know if we should do it again.
Well,